You got it, girl, you got it.
Alrighty, so the first product that we're going to use from the Dollar Tree is this little mask. So here we have the Suave Professionals Almond and Shea Butter Deep Conditioning Mask. And it says results in one use. And it's supposed to moisturize for touchably soft hair. So this is going to be my deep conditioner for today. I've already shampooed and put a little bit of regular conditioner on. So now we're just going to go ahead and deep condition. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna take some of the Suave and just work it through. That went on very easily. As you can see, I was able to finger detangle that section and just rape it through with no problem, but the outer edges is the easiest part of my hair to kind of manage and detangle. So once we get to this middle section is when I have some issues. So here in the middle section is my little struggle areas. I'm just gonna try to use the remainder of this. Just might as well use it all. And I'm gonna focus it in like the middle area. That's the driest. I have this deep conditioner applied. I can run my fingers through. So it's also detangled. And I'm actually gonna sit underneath my dryer with this on because I've been slacking with deep conditioning with heat. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sit underneath my hooded dryer. I'm thinking like at least 10 minutes with heat, and then I'll rinse and we'll come back and use the second product from the Dollar Tree. Alrighty, hair's rinsed. Feeling incredible. Heat really makes a difference, so I need to do better and start doing that more often. Now we're gonna get into the styler. So the styler that we're using from the Dollar Tree is the Salon Selectives Curl Control Curl Stretch Cream. So this claims to maximize your hair's natural curl pattern, creating frizz-free and shiny curls. This paraben-free rich cream will minimize shrinkage while stretching and elongating curls to achieve ultimate bounciness. It sounds great, but we're gonna see because this was only $1. Apply dime-sized amount to sections of wet hair, distributing evenly. Scrunch or smooth detangled hair with fingers. Dry and fluff to desired volume. So we're gonna see, this is claiming to minimize shrinkage. Let's just see. This is matcha, by the way. Obsessed. So we're gonna start off back here, of course. I'm gonna go in with this curl stretch cream. So actually, it kind of looks like it has like reflectors in it. It's a looser cream, so it's definitely not thick at all. Like, let me show you. Okay. I'm gonna put a generous amount because this is the only product that I'm using. I'm not putting a leave-in. This is just gonna be a one and done. So we're really gonna test this curl, what is it called? This curl stretch cream. I mean, it's looking really good so far, this first section. Okay, so that's the first section. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of gel and just kind of go in along the roots right here. Just see if I can tame some of this frizz in this midsection. Because I don't like that. So like right up in here.
Ryan Little.
All right, here we are, here we have it. I have applied all of the curl stretch cream. Well, not all of it, but it's distributed all over. And I did go in with a little bit of gel where some of my roots were kind of looking a little frizzy in my struggle area. So we did that, and then I did shingle just a few pieces in the middle and along the front. So we're gonna let this dry. Hello, I'm back. My hair is completely dry. And something interesting that I've noticed it is crunchy. It has like, you know, the gel cast. Now I did apply some gel to like this middle section here where I felt like I needed a little bit of help in the frizz department. So I know I applied it a little bit, but the cast is all over. So that's interesting. This product doesn't mention anything about having a hold. Let's put an emphasis on minimizing shrinkage while stretching and elongating your curls, but it says nothing about hold. So I really wasn't expecting it to have this cast that it does. It is called the Curl Control Curl Stretch Cream. So maybe the control is where the cast comes into play. I'm not really sure, but I just was not expecting it to be as crunchy as it is. So I just wanted to point that out. I'm not really mad at the crunch because that means it could potentially, you know, last me a little bit. So just wanted to point that out. As far as minimizing shrinkage, no. Honestly, I don't really believe any product that says it's going to reduce the amount of shrinkage. I just don't know how that's possible, but I do like how it looks. I do have like shine happening, and I just feel like it looks nice for a $1 product from the Dollar Tree. Now I did start off with a really nice base. So my hair was shampooed, conditioned, and I deep conditioned with the deep conditioning mask that I also got from the Dollar Tree. But what was different this wash day is I deep conditioned with heat. So I did have a really nice base to start off with, which made for the application process of the product to just go on really nicely. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on real quick and let you guys know that my hair is crunchy, and I just wasn't expecting that. So yeah, I'll be back with the final look.